सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्ति समन्विते भयभ्यस्त्राहि नो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमोस्तुते. Hello friends, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Let's meet positivity. Friends, this is day 5 of this Navratri. And today we are going to meet to a person who has learned a lot of things in her life. And not only it was not only learning, but she has done expertise into it. She has actually became expert in every field, and then started sharing that knowledge by giving trainings or lectures. Started sharing her knowledge with everyone, and that's the key. Friends, whenever we feel that what we need to do now, I'm stuck, I can't do anything now, what am I supposed to do, how I can do, how can pass the time very well, positively, is it really possible? Such questions can be answered by looking at today's personality. I have seen my mom earlier, almost 10-15 years back, when she was a distributor in Tupperware. I have seen my mom how much efforts really required. She has taken a lot of efforts to become successful distributor in Tupperware. My friend's mom, she was actually a distributor in Amway. She was also working so hard to become successful. Friends, any field you take it, if you put a lot of efforts, even in your struggling time, then you will succeed. And our today's guest has taken a lot of efforts, struggled a lot initially, but actually became expert in a lot of different fields. She has done fabric painting. She has done cake baking. She has conducted cake baking classes, chocolate making classes. She was a Tupperware distributor. She was a silver distributor in Amway. As I mentioned about fabric painting, she has done calligraphy classes, whatnot. Few years back, she has joined one of the networking forum in Mumbai. That's Mi Udyojak. And within few years, the way she had performed there. Today, she is a regional director of Mi Udyojak. Every single field, what she had started learning, she became excel. And that's the attitude which is required. Initially, she was not even aware of leadership. She was not aware about persistence. She was not aware about patience. But she has learnt it. And the best part is that she never denied that she is not aware of anything. And now she wants to learn and she wants to become excel. Always that learning attitude and positive attitude, positive thinking process help her in her struggling period to just come out of it and to achieve the success. Very interesting personality, remarkable achievements in many fields. So let's meet today Mrs. Vandana Sanjay Bhanushali. And before that, let's look at her few products which she is now a distributor as a corporate gift, right? So let's look at few products and then we will meet Vandana madam. Hello, ma'am. Hello, Vandana, ma'am. Thank you very much for joining on this YouTube channel. And first of all, thank you for helping me to spread positivity. I was eagerly waiting for you to come on this channel and start spreading the positivity, because I know you have so much of positivity within you, and you are actually helping even in your day to day life as well to others. So before we start and before I forget, okay, happy Navratri, and wish you many many happy returns of the day, madam.
Same to
uh,
you for happy Navratri, and thank you for my birthday wishes.
Thank you. So to start with, Vandana madam, the objective of this YouTube channel is to spread positivity, as I mentioned earlier, right? But as there is so much of negativity already spread across, everyone is thinking very negatively. Everyone is like little worried about their future, how things are going, and all that, right? This is all started when the lockdown announced, and it started getting extended month by month, not even the week by week, but the month by month. So we would like to know first, what was your reaction towards the situation, or what was your initial thought process when the lockdown announced and started getting extended?
Okay, now give me a minute for that. Just it was, I would say, absolute positive. The reason was, for first week, the life really came standstill actually, to understand the things what are going on. And since the dates were announced, my priority was to fill first groceries in my home. So that, as a mother and as a homemaker also sometimes, so you have to keep on that eye that everything is there, and my family should get everything on their hand. So first priority, the first week was what went into it, was totally into that. And I was just thinking, क्या कमी है ये, पहले मैं घर में ला दूं, ताकि ये लॉक हो जाएगा तो भी, अगर बाहर लॉकडाउन हो गया तो भी मेरी फैमिली वो एंजॉय कर सकेगी जो उनको रेगुलर में मिलना चाहिए. तो विद इन अ वीक वी डिड दैट, मी एंड माय हस्बैंड. जस्ट सोचा नहीं ज्यादा, वेंट आउटसाइड, जो मिला वो घर में हमारे मदर इन लॉ को हमने प्रोवाइड किया. And immediately, just I was just sitting, and I felt that this was a time of introspection and self analysis actually. And since it was lockdown and you are going nowhere, you are free enough to spend time with your family members also. So I first थैंक गॉड, क्योंकि मेरे स्केड्यूल्स इतने बिजी थे उससे पहले, कि घर पे रहना है तो लाइक माय किड्स इज टू आस्क मी, मॉम आप घर पे कब हो. तो वो एक बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क निकल गया. एंड फाइनली आई वाज विद देम. एंड I got one innovative idea, and that was about starting a session of 21 days abundance, teaching one book. And I'll reveal the book also because I'm super excited to share about that book. It was Secret the Magic, which really changed my life. And I thought that why not teach this to others, that you can also achieve that success, and at least you can remain positive in this pandemic. And you will not believe, I got wonderful feedback for that. And
Great.
first, being myself reading that book, I became positive, and I took that decision that I'm going to help you with this book. Many entrepreneurs or many family or friends around me, I'll help or impact their life to remain positive.
Awesome. Great. So that's how you started this entire lockdown, right, Vandana ma'am? But and it's a good thing that you have actually started something new and something different, so that it will have some added a value to the other's life, and that was really really important. So when it comes to now actually utilizing this entire lockdown, so it's like, yes, initially there was a setback, and then you started something new, but this was like you said 21 days, right? But now if I look back and see the entire lockdown period, it's almost like 6 months, or rather more than that,
True,
right?
true.
So how did you utilize that entire lockdown period? Is it something that you have done, you have done something which you have parked it earlier because of your busy schedule, or you have spent time with your family? So how did you utilize that entire period?
Okay. I did ample of things. Like people say we had time, but I really say my lockdown was too busy searching myself and creating myself in more innovative way. Uh, First thing what I shared, that I started teaching about that book. 21 days finish हो गए, उसके बाद क्या? And there were around 30 participants what I received in that session. एंड वंडरफुल फीडबैक्स उनसे जब मिले, तो मैंने बोला अभी तो खाली 30 लोग ही हुए हैं, चलो इससे कुछ आगे ट्राई करते हैं. एंड देन फाइनली आई again started searching or started putting the messages that are you interested again to um, rejoin or आपके कोई कनेक्ट में हो जिनको ये एक्टिविटीज करनी हो. यू विल नॉट बिलीव, जो मेल्स थे, मेरे जो मेल्स कॉन्टैक्ट सर्कल में से हैं, उनकी वाइफ ज्वाइन हुई. Even people joined globally from Dubai, from US. So there were around 100 participants continuously. I did it in 3 batches, and at least I have touched 100 people's life. And there are wonderful feedbacks written that they are getting miracles every day, and which motivated me to open one group or a community of miracles on Facebook.
Great.
And
Yeah, yeah, I
every
saw a couple
day,
of posts.
yeah, and every day we put, not every day, but at least I try to put every week a gratitude giving, which I have learned from my mentors. And also, I share a positive thought, or even ask them to put some positive thought about the miracles. So that was the first part of 21 days of teaching. The second thing what I did was I did an training with Bhanushali Working Women Entrepreneurs, which is BWW Group. And the admin head of that team is my friend. And she gave me a break and she told me, Vandana, हमारे women community के लिए आप कुछ training लेके आओ. And there I actually taught them about the social media, that what is the importance, and being importance कि आप change accept करो. एंड अगर आप सोशल मीडिया पे नहीं रहोगे तो आपको बिजनेस नहीं मिलेगा. सो जो विजिबिलिटी पार्ट है वो उनके लिए मैंने काफी हद तक, इट वाज अराउंड 1.5 hours ऑफ ट्रेनिंग which I delivered to say 25 women. Thirdly, I would say I spent time for myself, also creating myself. So I took my old sketches books, drawing sketches जो मैं पहले फाइन आर्ट सीखा करती थी, वो निकाले, एंड आई स्केच अमिताभ बच्चन स्केच देयर.
Okay.
एंड इवन 2-3 स्केचेस एक मदर डॉटर का जो लव एंड अफेक्शन है वो भी स्केच मैंने ड्रॉ किया. सो एनीथिंग विच यू लर्न इन योर लाइफ, वो कहीं नहीं जाता है, वो यहीं रहता है. और दैट हेल्प मी टू गिव लाइक बूस्टिंग था, बिकॉज होम चोर्स जो थे वो सब मुझे करने पड़ते थे, तो उसमें से फिर पॉजिटिव कैसे रहेंगे. तो I used to listen more music and put time into such creative work. So उससे मैं भी motivated रहती थी.
ग्रेट, ग्रेट. और ये बात आपने बहुत सही कही मैडम कि व्हेनेवर यू लर्न समथिंग, राइट, that never get wasted. It's like you will get some or the other way, it will help you out for sure. And even in lockdown, there are a lot of people whomever I met so far over the internet. It was like great. Everyone is talking about the same thing. Whatever they have learned, whatever they have parked just due to busy schedule, they have actually again go back to that particular place, and then they have started again, maybe a teaching, maybe a learning, reading book or whatever it is. But yeah, great. That's a great thought. So next thing, we would like to know more about, as you're an entrepreneur already and you are into that corporate giftings and all that, right? I've seen lot of testimonials already. So basically, Vandana ma'am, we would like to know more about your achievements, and I know there is one special thing as well, and I'm sure you will definitely disclose it here. But still, on top of it, if you can share some achievements for our viewers, that will be great.
One more thing I missed out in lockdown, what I did, I want to share also that.
Sure.
That is, I was dealing into imitation jewelry 15 years back. But the positive side, what I created my brand Ethnic Creations, and which got trademark and it got registered. So I relaunched that brand, Ethnic Creations, and which deals into imitation jewelry, 1 gram gold jewelry, and semi-precious stones, especially crystals. So I relaunched that, and I empowered around 13 women who are my resellers, and that's my team, I can say. And in August and September, I did a turnover of 60,000 rupees,
Great,
sitting at home doing nothing, just helping other people to grow.
great, great, great. That's wonderful.
And
Awesome.
I have one more business project on which I deal into SIP of plots. which is systematic investment plan in plots. And you can just think of your second home there and as an investment also. I cracked around two deals into it and even
Wow,
seeing foreign investment coming up very soon in that.
great, great achievement. That's wonderful.
So, and one more thing, what I did in lockdown, there are ample of the list will never end, but this is the last one. Uh, I did business counseling training for me Udyojak, wherein initially, as there were rules and regulations for that training, the training was absolutely free, but then conditions applied were there, and 44 participants initially got entered, and then we ended up around 26 finally who completed all the four sessions, and it was four Sundays, four evening Sundays, 1 hour each. It was like that, and that also happened successfully between September and October first week. I finished that sessions too. So when you give teachings or when you teach someone, you also learn from that. What I learned while giving the trainings. So these are the things what I did in lockdown period.
Great, great, great. And some of them are like really a good achievements as well. Is there any achievement you want to share with our viewers, Vandana ma'am?
Yeah, I would love to share one product is very near to my heart. That is conceptualized horseshoe card holder, and my USP is into silver plated articrafts. Uh, that product actually carries, if you see, there is a horseshoe into it, which give luck to your business card, and a stallion horse give horse power. So the combination of this product to came into existence, it took 9 months to create that product first of all,
Oh, wow.
and then finally when the product was done, it was gifted to 109 CEOs across India, where Hybar Technocrat gave me a break to gift this. And consequently, if I say recent, the reason to be always positive was last year in August, this same gift went to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji.
Yeah, wow. Wow.
And
Awesome.
one of our business entrepreneur friend gave us a break, and we got a superb testimonial from PMO office also.
Excellent, excellent. That's really nice. And that was I was actually looking for because I wanted to have that testimonial, or rather, of course, testimonial. I will add it, but that that secret you need to reveal on my YouTube channel. That's what I wanted. So thank you, Vandana ma'am. Great. I'll not take much of your time, but we will conclude with this last question, Vandana madam. More from the kind of takeaway message for our viewers. So if you would like to say something, because you were talking about so many empowerments, the woman empowerments and all that stuff, you're teaching, you are trying to add value to others life, all that stuff, right? So if you can share one message, a takeaway message for our viewers, that would be really great.
Uh, Takeaway message, yes. Accept change. That is more important. If you don't accept change, you won't be successful. Second, you should be always persistent. Accept the change, move ahead, and you should be always seeing that the things which you're doing, you should not stop doing that. That's one message. And one more I will love to add is see your capabilities first. When such challenges come, you are always capable enough to face that challenges. So check with your capabilities. Don't just sit down and just do it. I would say take actions,
Great.
implement the things which you know and which you are good at, and utilize that up to the best, I would say,
Wow.
with all the equipments which you have.
Yes.
That's it.
Exactly. So basically, it's like whenever this kind of changes comes, right? This kind of pandemic comes in front of us, we have to now face it. We cannot ignore it, right? So yes, I agree. First, you need to accept it. This yes, there is a change. There are negativities already spread across, but that's okay. And as you mentioned rightly, Vandana ma'am, we need to know our capabilities, because even the way you said, even I completely agree that everyone has a capacity or capability to to face any kind of challenges. It's just like you need to believe in yourself that I can do that. Okay. And the third and very important thing, even though you can do that, but you have to do it. You have to take that action to move ahead. And once you take that action to move ahead, I guess then the challenges are more fun, I would say. So, and
Absolutely.
great, great, Vandana ma'am. First of all, again, I'm thanking you. I know you were so busy even earlier, and now even as the unlock started, you are again started getting busy and all. And I was a part of that training session which you've taken, and I really, appreciate the kind of efforts you have put into to train us. And it is really difficult. See, it's basically, if there's a concept comes in where you have learned something by yourself and then you want to teach because you love that subject, it's a different part. It's relatively easy to convince to other, to share that knowledge with others. And it is
Absolutely.
literally difficult that you have learned something from, from someone, and immediately now you're actually helping others to get into that, and you're actually teaching others in that fashion. So it is really difficult, but you did it very well, madam. Thank you so much. And I don't know how much it will help now from the monetary perspective, all that, but from the knowledge perspective, it was really, really, really great, and great content as well. So thanks for that training as well. And thank you very much again for joining this. I hope you will enjoy your day. I know in birthdays normally others give you a gift, but it will be your first birthday where, Vandana ma'am, you have given a gift to us by, by being there on this YouTube channel. So again, thanks a lot. Enjoy your day, enjoy your birthday, and enjoy this Navaratri. Thank you very much.